So what's special about 13th store?
Well, 13 is a special number.
Of course, of
I
course.
think that every one of our stores has a lot of heart and passion put into it. It's not really like a numbers game. I would say it's more about curating very special spaces where people can find a sense of their own identity and
Sure.
find a way to celebrate themselves through the pieces that they wear.
Absolutely. We saw beautiful pieces by Araya by Aza. So talk to us
Yes.
about those special pieces.
Yeah, definitely. So Araya is my daughter's name. It means beautiful and divine. And I wanted to create a brand which really celebrates the modern woman, which is easy to carry, travel with, and makes you feel really empowered when you wear the pieces. So they're very design heavy pieces. So if you see this ring
Sure.
is from Araya, everything I'm wearing
Okay.
is Araya actually.
Wow.
And the idea is that these pieces are far more affordable. They're far more sustainable, and they're very design oriented. So they're incredibly beautiful. This is our largest Araya by Azza space in
Wow.
any of the Azza stores.
Sure.
We'll be opening standalone stores soon, but I definitely recommend that people come browse the Araya by Azza section here because it's very special.
Fantastic. So you've collaborated again with Dia, and I think it's nostalgic. You started your journey way back as well.
With Dia Mirza.
Yes.
We
So
have
talk to us
shot
about
an
the
Azza magazine cover with her in the
Sure.
past as well. And my mum, who's the founder of
Yes.
Azza, and Rocky S, who's one
Sure.
of India's oldest and most established designers, and Dia Mirza have come together in this shoot. It's a really beautiful shoot because Dia is herself like completely timeless. She really glows. And her
Absolutely, inner
radiance
beauty.
inner
Yes,
beauty,
yes,
exactly. It
yes.
comes from just being a good person. And so I'm really excited. We're unveiling this the cover magazine cover tonight downstairs. So
Wonderful. It beautifully resonates with her personality as well. So what's the way forward?
the way forward is to continue creating pieces and building spaces which celebrate individuality. We'll be launching standalone stores for Araya by Azza soon. So that is something that I'm sort of heavily focused on. And growing the brand, growing Azza, of course, as well.
Super fantastic. Wish you good luck and
you so much.
more power to you. Thank you.
Thank you for being here.